These two, I'm going to miss them. I think they are the best.
See all the little good things you do.
This is the trouser. Another one for Jessie. This one should be for my uncle's wife. This is a shoe for Tovia. This one will not be a size yet, but I'm going to keep it. Wow, this is for Tovia. Nightwear. And this is the pants. So this one is for, I guess this is for me. Okay, this is for me. My sister brought this for me. It's so cute. This is for Tovia's. Wow, this is a crop top. Wow, this is so cute. Another one. Another one. Wow, that's so cute. Oh my god. 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 For Tovia. God, look at this one. This is what now? It's a skirt. To be top. This one, hey god. This one is a skirt. I'm glad it's a skirt. It's not a pants. So cute. Finally, for Jessie. This is a pants. Okay. This should fit because Jessie is really fat. See? Wow. What did I do to deserve this woman? Deserve you. Like, what did I do? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love this one. I love this. So that's it, you guys. These are the clothes. I am really excited. I did not like think it would be this many. And I'm so excited. If you're watching this video, mommy, I love you. Still bright. These two, I'm going to miss them. No, not too serious. I'm just putting this powder all over my I look like a princess. Hello, hello, hello. That's good. Guys, this is the final look. My earrings. Hi, I've not even worn my necklace. So now final look. So I'm going to wear Jessie's necklace. This one is for Jessie. And yeah, this is my hair. I do not want to put on any wig. I'm running late, you guys. So I'll see you guys I think guys are long shot. Let's just be quick.
I'm in the hurry, don't that.
Don't do that.
On the car.
Yes, just be turning it like that. Be turning it.
Why is the remote?
Yeah, come out. Let me see you rant.
I know what talk now.
Just act like you're ranting now. Just go back from the market. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. What is it? It's dirty. So I just got this cup. Tovia will not allow me rest until she drinks from this cup. And it's dirty. So I got this cup set of cup. I've been wanting to get it. I got it. How much safe? 2,600. 2,700. Fuse this thing, fuse the next thing. Just finished doing it now, but it wasn't easy. Yeah, I'm thinking of keeping the carton. Because I might sell it. I may sell this one, I may give it out. I don't know yet. Or I'll just give it out. I don't know what I'm going to give out. That's the problem. It's easier to sell than giving things out these days. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye. It's bye from me.